Nobody tells you that the stuff sitting in luxury store windows, the kind with price tags that make you quietly put it back, can actually be made at home with yarn and a hook in your living room. And I don't mean cheap-looking knockoffs. I mean genuinely beautiful, high-end pieces that people will pick up, feel the texture, and ask, "Where did you buy this?" Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to make luxury-style crochet items at home. And the best part? Most of these are beginner-friendly. You don't need years of experience. You don't need expensive tools. You just need to know what makes something look expensive, and then follow along. There's one item on this list that I honestly think could sell for over $100, and it takes less material than you'd expect. I'll get to that one, but first, let me explain why most people's crochet projects don't look luxurious, even when they put in a lot of effort. The number one mistake people make is using the wrong yarn. Not the wrong brand, the wrong type. There's a huge difference in how something looks and feels depending on the fiber you use. Acrylic yarn is fine for certain projects, but if you want something to look high-end, you need to reach for something better. Merino wool, alpaca, bamboo, cotton blends, linen. These are the fibers that give your finished piece that wow factor. They drape differently, they feel different in your hands, and when someone picks up the finished item, they immediately notice something is special about it, even if they can't explain why. The second thing is color. Luxury items tend to use colors that are either very neutral, think cream, oatmeal, warm white, dusty beige, sand, or very rich and deep, like forest green, burgundy, navy, or camel. Avoid anything too bright or neon if you want that upscale look. A simple cream bucket hat in 100% cotton looks like it belongs in a boutique. The same shape and bright yellow looks like a craft project. Same skill, same pattern, totally different result based on color choice alone. Okay, now let's actually get into the items. The first one is a crochet bucket hat. And before you scroll away thinking this is too basic, hear me out. A bucket hat made with the right yarn and the right stitch pattern is one of the most wearable, most sellable, and most complimented crochet items you can make. When you use a natural cotton or a cotton linen blend in a neutral tone and you work it in a simple half-double crochet with a clean, ribbed brim, it looks like something straight out of a summer collection at a high-end fashion store. For this hat, you'll want to start with a magic ring and work in the round. Build up the flat circle on top by increasing every other stitch or so in the first few rounds until you have the width you need for the crown. Then you stop increasing and just work straight down the sides for several rounds. This creates that bucket shape. The brim is where a lot of people go wrong. They make it too short. For a real elevated look, you want a brim that's at least 1.5 inches wide, worked in slip stitch or single crochet through the back loop only to give it that stretchy, defined, ribbed edge. Finish it off, weave in your ends, and you've got something that genuinely looks expensive. The second item is a crochet tote bag. Now, crochet bags are nothing new, but most people make them in ways that look very craft
chunky
fair.
throw
If
that
you
you
want
drape
a
over the end of your
luxury-looking
bed
tote,
or
again,
fold over the arm of
yarn
your couch.
matters.
The kind
Use
of
a
throw
thick
you see
cotton
in those
rope yarn or a
aspirational
sturdy
home
natural
photos that make
fiber.
you want to
Work in a very
redecorate your
tight
entire
single
house.
crochet or
The
moss
trick with
stitch
this one
for a
is to go
dense,
chunky,
structured fabric.
super bulky
The bag
yarn,
should hold its
a
shape
large
when
hook,
it's empty.
and a simple
If it
stitch.
slumps over
The
and
simpler,
collapses,
better,
it
actually,
won't look
because with
high-end.
that weight of yarn,
Structure
even a
equals
basic
luxury
stitch
in
looks
bag design.
incredible. A
For the
chunky
shape,
knit-look
keep it
crochet
simple.
blanket
A
in a warm
rectangle
neutral
base,
takes your
straight
bedroom
sides,
from
clean
"this is where
handles.
I sleep"
No
to
extra
"this is a
embellishments
cozy
unless they're
retreat."
very
It
minimal.
takes time
Leather
because it's a
look
bit.
handles,
I
either
didn't
bought
think about this,
separately and
but a
attached
set of
or
handmade
crocheted
crochet
tightly to
coasters
mimic the look,
neatly
take
stacked
this
on your
from a
coffee
nice
table,
bag
that's
to
a
a
detail that makes
genuinely
people
beautiful
notice.
accessory.
It says the
There
person
are
who
cord
lives here
handles and
actually
bamboo
cares
ring
about how
handles
their home
available at
looks.
most craft
Use
stores
a
that
sturdy
cost
cotton
very
yarn,
little
pick
and
a
add a
stitch with some
huge amount of
texture. The
visual
linen
value to the
stitch is
finished
great for
piece.
this, and make
If you
4
want
to
to
6
add a
matching
stitch
ones.
detail,
Stack them up,
try a
maybe tie
linen
them with a
stitch
ribbon
or
or
a
a piece of
waffle
twine,
stitch on the
and
body of the
suddenly your
bag.
coffee table
These
has a
have a
little
texture
moment
that
going on.
photographs
And
beautifully
finally,
and feels
curtain
satisfying
tiebacks.
to touch
This is such a
without looking
small
overly
thing that makes
complicated.
such a big difference.
Third on the
When you
list,
walk into
and
a
this
room
one
with
is one of
curtains
my
that are tied
personal
back
favorites,
beautifully,
is
the
a
whole room
crochet
feels more
cardigan.
intentional,
I
more
know,
finished,
a
more
cardigan
expensive.
sounds advanced,
Crochet
but
tiebacks
there are
in a
so
thick
many
cotton or even a
beginner-friendly
braided
cardigan
yarn
patterns
look
out there
really
now,
elegant.
including
You
ones
can
that are
go for a
basically
simple
just
loop
3
style or add a
rectangles sewn
flower,
together,
a button,
and
a
a
tassel,
loose,
whatever fits
oversized
the vibe of
cardigan
the
in an
room.
alpaca
These take
blend or
very
a
little
soft
yarn and
mohair
very
yarn
little
looks
time, and they're one of
genuinely
those
stunning.
finishing
It's
touches
the
that
kind of
pulls
piece
a
that people
whole
see
room
on your
together.
Instagram and
The
immediately
common
ask,
thread,
"Is
no
that
pun intended,
handmade?"
through all of these
For a
projects is that
beginner
they lean
cardigan,
into
look for a
texture, natural
top-down
materials,
construction
and
or a
thoughtful
simple
placement.
granny square
Those 3
layout.
things are what
The key
separate a
with
home that
cardigans,
looks
and honestly
expensive
with
from
most
one that just
wearables,
looks
is
okay, and
sizing.
crochet
Don't
gives
rush
you
through the
all
pattern.
3.
Take
You
time to
control the
measure your
texture with your
gauge and
stitch choice,
adjust your hook
you
size
control
if
the
needed.
material by
A
picking
cardigan
quality
that fits
yarn, and
properly
when you
will
make something by
always
hand
look more
and put it in your
expensive
space
than
with
one that's
intention,
slightly
that's
too
as
tight
thoughtful
or
as it
pulls
gets.
in weird
You
places.
don't need to make all of these at
Color-wise,
once.
go
Pick
neutral.
one that fits where you
Oatmeal,
are
a
with your
warm
skill
gray,
level
a
and what your
muted
home
dusty
needs
brown,
most right now.
or if you
Start
want
there,
something a
put
little
it in your space,
bolder,
and notice
a
how it
deep
changes things.
sage green
Then
or
come
a
back
rust
here and
tone
make
can
the
look
next one.
incredibly rich, especially in a natural fiber. Now, the item I mentioned at the beginning, the one that I think could genuinely sell for $100 or more, a crochet beret in 100% merino wool. Berets are having a real
Any square
fashion moment right
cardigan,
now,
you
and
could
a
be looking at
handmade
60,
merino
80,
beret in the right
100
color
hours or
is
more,
the kind of
depending on the
accessory that
size and the
stands out.
complexity of the design.
Merino wool is
These aren't
naturally
numbers
soft
I'm
and
making
has a
up.
beautiful
These are
sheen to it.
real-time
A simple
investments that
beret
makers
pattern
put
worked
into their
flat
work
or in the round
constantly.
takes
And they do
maybe
it not
2 to
because
3
they have
skeins of
to,
yarn
but
and a
because
few
there's
hours of
something
work.
that
But
happens
the
in that
finished
process
product,
that you
it looks
genuinely
like something you'd
cannot
find in
get
a
anywhere
Parisian
else.
boutique.
There's a
The
rhythm to
stitch
crochet.
that works best
Once you
here
know your
is a simple
stitches, your
stockinette
hands start to
style
move
look
without you
using
really having to think
half-double
about it,
crochet through the
and your
back
mind
loop,
gets this
which gives it a
quiet space
clean,
to just
smooth surface
exist.
that mimics the look
People
of knitting,
talk about
but is
meditation
faster
like
to
it's
work up in
something you have to
crochet.
sit still
A
for,
ribbed band
eyes
around the
closed,
edge gives
trying
it
not
that
to think about your
structured,
grocery list.
professional finish.
But
If
crochet
you
is
want
a
to go
moving
even further
meditation.
with the luxury
Your hands
feel,
are busy,
look up
which
wet
actually
blocking.
helps your
This
brain
is
relax.
a finishing technique where
Research
you
has
lightly
shown,
dampen
and this
your
is real,
finished
this
piece
isn't just
and then
something crafters
reshape
say
it on
to
a flat
justify their
surface and
hobby.
let it dry.
That
It
repetitive hand
smooths
movements,
out
like
any
the kind you
uneven
do in
stitches
crochet,
and gives
can
natural
lower
fibers that
cortisol levels,
professional,
reduce
polished
anxiety,
look.
and even
It
have an effect
genuinely
on
makes a
symptoms of
difference. A
depression.
blocked
This
beret
is a
versus
craft
an
that is
unblocked one
genuinely
looks
good
like
for your
2
mental health.
completely different
But
levels
more
of
than
quality.
that, more than the
Let's talk
meditation
about one more
aspect,
item,
more than the
a
mental health
crochet
benefits,
cushion cover.
there is
Home
something that
decor is
happens
one of
when
the
you finish
best
a handmade
categories for
piece that
high-end
you really
crochet
cannot
because
replicate
people
in
are
any
already
other
used to
way.
spending a lot
And
of
this
money
is the
on
part I want
beautiful
you to
home
really
pieces.
sit with.
A cushion
When you
cover in a
finish something
natural
you made
cotton
with your
or linen
hands,
yarn, worked
completely
in a
from
bobble
raw
stitch
material
or
to
a
finished
raised shell
object,
stitch,
you get
looks
to hold something
genuinely
in your
elegant in a
hands
living
that
room.
did not
You can make
exist
a
before you made
20-inch
it.
cushion cover
That
in a
blanket
single
wasn't there before
afternoon
you started.
once you get the pattern
That
down.
bag didn't
For the
exist
back of the
until you
cover, you
created
can
it.
either crochet
Every
a second
stitch in it
panel
came
or
from your
use a
hands.
plain fabric
Every
backing.
hour of it
A
came
neutral
from your
linen
life.
fabric
And
sewn on
now
works
it's
perfectly
real,
and is
it's
much
solid,
faster.
it's
Add
done,
a few
and
big
nobody
buttons
else
down
in
the
the
back for
world has
closure,
one
and you've
exactly
got
like
something
it.
that looks
That
boutique
feeling
level
is
for the
something
cost
that
of
our
a
modern
few
world
dollars
has
of
taken
materials.
away from most people.
The thing that
Think about
all
it.
of these
What do
items have
most
in
people
common,
actually
the hat,
make
the
anymore?
bag, the
We
cardigan,
consume,
the
we
beret, the
scroll,
cushion
we
cover,
click, we
is that
buy,
none
we
of them are
watch, we
complicated.
order. We
None of them
experience
require
things
advanced
other people
techniques you
created,
need to spend
but very
months
few
learning.
people actually
They
make
just
things.
require choosing
Very
the
few
right
people get to
materials,
feel the
working
satisfaction of
carefully
holding
and
something
cleanly,
in their
and
hands
paying
at the
attention
end of
to
the
the
day and
finishing
saying,
details.
I
Weave
made
in your
that.
ends
That
properly.
came from
Block
me.
your pieces when the
Crochet
fiber
gives
allows
that
for
back
it.
to you.
Take the extra
And this is
5
why I
minutes
think
to
the
make sure
handmade
edges
movement
are
is
even.
growing feeling the way it is right now.
Small things
People
are what
tired
a
of
craft
consuming.
project
They
from
want to
something that
create.
looks
They want to
truly
feel
luxury.
capable. They want to
Crochet
have
has this
something that's
reputation of
theirs
being
in a
something
way
your
that's something you
grandmother
ordered
did,
off
and
the
there's
internet
nothing wrong
can
with that.
never be.
But the craft
Now
has
let's talk about the
completely
challenges,
transformed.
because I'm
People
not
are
going to
building
sit here and
full
tell you that
businesses
handmade
selling
crochet is
handmade
all
crochet
warmth
pieces
and good
for
feelings,
serious
because
money.
it's not.
And it's
There are real
entirely
hard
because
parts
they
to
figured
this,
out how
and
to
they're
make
worth
things
talking
that
about
look
honestly.
expensive.
The
You
first
can do the
challenge
same
is
thing.
time,
If
and
you
not
want
just
to
the
see the
time it takes
actual
to make things,
step-by-step
but the
tutorials for
emotional
each of these
cost of
items,
that time.
subscribe so you
Because
don't
when you
miss the next
spend
video.
40 hours
I'm
on a
going to walk
blanket
through
and then
each one
someone
in
offers you
detail.
20